Hi, this is John with Agile Offroad. Here's a step-by-step instruction video for our wheel spacers for the 2500 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter.
Side because water gets in there and it's rust.
Rust the hub.
Rusty.
It's not indexing on the studs, it's indexing on this part here. So right now, that doesn't move. It's perfect. So a lot of people are concerned about wheel studs, or wheel spacers.
Got it.
It's that Bob. You got the big Bob.
Loctite all the wheel studs. Hand thread them in first.
JZ, we need to be able to give the customer an idea of how they do it. So in other words, we would tighten it down, we bottom it out, and we just want to be able to give it
A couple turns.
like tight like that. There's not really a torque spec on
Right.
it, Scott. So it just needs to be seated till tight.
So you want to hand thread them all the way in first, and then tighten them up with the ratchet.
Yeah, tighten them up just till seated.
Right.
I think would be the correct term we'd want to use.
Just until they're seated.
Okay, so now it's sandwiches at the other place down by.
Oh, we get pizza. Oh, we just had pizza. But at Chicago, pizza was pretty damn good.
All right.
Out and about.
Second City? Yeah. Chicken City. 280 hot. I was like, 27-year-old daughter. What? That's why I said.
Were you 12 when you were at her? Thanks.
Which I'm guessing is